So, they want to name. Anioma is Igbo land. If you are from Anioma, you are Igbo. Okay? You are Igbo. You have brothers and sisters in the southeast. Okay? And our mission is to unite all of us together. We are one people. You were told lies. And those lies have lasted for a long time. This is the time to shed off those lies and accept your reality. Accept your true identity. And your true identity is Igbo. Don't let anyone deceive you. Look around you. In Nigeria, there's only three tribes in Nigeria: Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. And I ask you, if you say you're not from Igbo, then where are you from? Are you from Hausa? Or are you from Yoruba? Where are you from? Now, they're trying to create a normal state. And you are there, being deceived. They are telling you that the Southeast want to take over you. That they want to create the Anioma state and ceded it to Southeast. The enemies have started their propaganda again. What they are best known for. And you are following them. You are joining them to castigate your own people. And at the back, they will laugh at you because they know you don't know yourself. You don't know yourself. They know who you are, but you don't know who you are. The same way they hate your brothers in the East is the same way they hate you. They can never like you. That place you are now, claiming that's where you come from, you are being marginalized. You are being marginalized. You are being marginalized. Ada agunyaji, because they know who you are. How can you say you come from a place where you don't understand their language? When they speak, you don't understand. Their food, you don't understand their food. Their food is like a culture shock to you when you see it. You don't eat the same food with them. You don't wear the same clothes, the same dressing is not. You don't wear the same dress. You don't dress like them. Your culture is not related. What they call God is not what you call God. And you say you are from there. And when you go in their gathering and they are speaking, will you understand what they are saying? You will not. And you are saying you are from there. Can't you see that something is amiss? Because if you say you are from somewhere, you should be able to identify with the people you claim you come from, with the place you claim you come from. If you claim you come from this place, you should be able to understand their language and be able to speak it. You should be able to understand their culture and explain it, being able to express it. But you can't. And you are denying your identity, who you are. You speak Igbo language and you understand Igbo language. Because Igbo, we have different dialects, but we understand ourselves. The same Nsukka people speak is not the same way Anambra people speak. The same Ebonyi people speak is not the same way Imo State speak. You know, but we understand ourselves. The same way with you. You have your own dialect, but it's Igbo. And when you speak, we understand you. And when we speak, you understand. We eat the same food. The same dressing. The same culture. We practice the same culture. What I call God is what you call God. I call God Chukwu, you call God Chukwu. I call what I'm Miri, you call what I'm Miri. I say come, Bia. You say come, Bia. When I speak, you understand me. And you are saying, I'm not your brother and I'm not your sister. You know, this is the time to wake up. Wake up from your sleep and join your brothers and sisters in the southeast. Anioma state must be created. It has to be created so that you have your own state. You have your own voice. If you fail to get Anioma state, you will remain just a minority without a voice. Where you are, you will be marginalized. You don't have a voice. But if you have your own state, you can stand in your state and have your own voice. And because they say they want to see that Anioma state to southeast, you're saying no, no. Think for the future of your children. The same way you are being marginalized today, is it the same way you want to live for your generations to come? Without a state? This is an opportunity. Opportunity for you to have a state of your own. You are Igbo. We are one people. One identity. We understand ourselves when we speak. Okay? You will have your own state, Anioma state. You will have your own voice. If you miss the opportunity of having this state, you will remain where you are in the south, and they will keep marginalizing you because they know who you are, but it is you that doesn't know who you are. They will come to you and say, no, don't mind the Igbo, you're not from Igbo, you're not Igbo, you're not Igbo. But at the back, they'll be laughing at you because they know you don't know yourself. You don't know yourself. So, you have to follow the people you understand their language. You eat the same food with them. The same culture, the same identity. They are your people. They are your people. That is the only way you can identify your people. Not people you don't understand their language, you don't understand their food, no connection, no relation, nothing connects you to them. And you're saying you're coming from them. And when you're in their midst, then they're doing meeting, you just be there, lost. You don't understand, or you'll be looking for an interpreter to interpret for you. And you say you come from there. Go to the Yoruba land, they know you as an Igbo. When you go there and do something, that day you will know who you are. You'll be telling them, no, I'm not Igbo, I'm from Abo, I'm from Ikano. They just look at you as like, see this one, Omo Igbo. That's what they will be calling you. Go to Igbo also, they will call you Nyamiri. You're telling them, no, I'm not it. You are Nyamiri. You can't run away from it. That is your true identity. So, stop denying yourself. Wake up from your sleep and accept your identity. And accept your root. You are Igbo. We are all one people. One love.